Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect UE Boom 3 quick fix step by step clearly. First, ensure your UE Boom 3 is charged. Press the power button to turn on the speaker. Confirm that the speaker is in pairing mode. To enter pairing mode, press and hold the Bluetooth button until the light starts flashing. Next, on your mobile device, navigate to the settings menu. Select Bluetooth to access the Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Look for UE Boom 3 in the list of available devices. Tap on UE Boom 3 to initiate the pairing process. Wait for the device to connect, this may take a few seconds. Once connected, you will hear a confirmation sound. Now, test the connection by playing a song or audio. If the speaker doesn't connect, restart both the UE Boom 3 and your mobile device. Then, repeat the previous steps to reconnect. If issues persist, ensure that no other devices are connected to the speaker. You can also reset the UE Boom 3 by holding the volume up and down buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Reattempt the connection after the reset is complete. For additional troubleshooting, consult the UE Boom app available on your device's app store. Once connected successfully, enjoy your music. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.